Hello, here is another update on the Hyundai Scoupe. Yeah, in the last video I did a basically brief introduction to this car. I already did a lot of fixings before that, but there were still some things that needed to be needed some work, no? So one of them was this clock. You might see in the previous video that was a huge crack here in the top left corner. I sent it to a guy who works with these plastics, and he did yeah, very good job here. So there is no sign of any crack here anymore, so like new. The same guy did he fixed this lower part of the console. It had a crack here in the center, but yeah, now it's looking very smooth. The surface is looking very smooth, looking great, but yeah, the color is not matching with the rest of these panels. So, but yeah, not big deal. In general, it's good. Apart from this, oh yeah, here in the ceiling, I don't know if I showed this in the previous video, but there was this piece of rubber that goes all around the perimeter of the sunroof. My plan was to just to replace that thing, but in fact we just painted with the same color as the ceiling, and it's looking like new. I love it. It's perfect, but not perfect, no, because you might see that it is a bit wavy because the rubber was quite old, but yeah, it's much better than it was before, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, here at the back there was this there were a couple of these cases for the speakers. Now they are looking really good, like new. He did a paint job there, well, in both of them, so that's something that's looking great now. And for now, that's it. Here in the interiors, also here, these little caps, I really like to cover all these holes where the screws are. I designed these caps, they are matching perfectly. The color also, it's matching quite well. There is another one. So this is little details that they matter, no? Also here you might check in this door handle. I designed in AutoCAD this little cap. It's not perfect, but it's much better than it was before. So I did it for both doors. And another one, because this little cap was missing, so I just took the previous design, or the original one, and I tried to reproduce it in AutoCAD and do the 3D printing. Now it's looking quite decent. It's not perfect, no, but it's better than nothing. Talking about those little caps, I also did it for the doors, because these caps were missing. I checked here. Yeah, I replaced this leather cover. Yeah, the other one was 30 years old, so you can imagine how damaged it was. So yeah, this one is quite good. The color is matching well with the car. Same thing for this for the handbrake. These things I still need to replace them. I tried to look for the original ones, but they are quite expensive, so I think I will not to spend. I don't want to spend that much money on it. These red things that go inside the buckle, they were actually quite pink, so I checked some YouTube video on how to fix that, and they did it with this kind of oil called WD-40, and this thing is like a magical thing, because now it's looking much better than before. Yeah, quite red. That's how I want it. Here in the back I did it as well, but here yeah, it was not so good. Maybe I have to do it again. Additionally, I did some fixings here in the trunk. It was missing many of these little caps, so yeah, the carpet, let's say, was not really fixed against the chassis, so I bought many of them to do that. So now it looks complete. This plastic thing was broken. I used some super glue, and yeah, now it's very well fixed. Okay, so that's it for today. In the upcoming days, I'm planning to replace the rear left glass because the one that I have now in my car is not the original one. In fact, I got the original glass a few days ago, but this glass didn't fit well in my car, so this was very disappointing. However, I got another glass which is not the original one, but it's much better than the one that I have. So this should improve the look of the car from outside. And yeah, I still have also a few things to show, so I think I will pack everything together in the next video. So yeah, have a nice time.